Hello guys, today I'm installing the Tesla center caps. When you remove the hubcap from the wheels, you're left with this ugly center section, hollow hole here, and the bare lug nuts. So they offer this decorative kit, which is center cap for each wheel as well as 5 lug covers. So the center cap just snaps in place. It's the same gunmetal gray as the rest of the wheel, and then all of the lug caps merely press in place like so. Super easy to install, and from my perspective they look really good, so I love them, and it looks really nice on the wheel, really dresses up the car, and other than the curb rash here, I think the car looks great. So keep looking to the channel for additional updates. I'll be posting more videos every couple days or so, small update videos like this as well as feature-length videos. Make sure you click the subscribe link below to subscribe to the channel and be notified of new content. Thanks a lot and have a great day. Bye-bye.